The lasagne is originated in Italy, although it has roots in ancient Greece and Rome. It's a dish served in layer of pasta sheets interspersed with layer of meat in a bolognese sauce. So other ingredients can be added depending on personal taste and preparation method. I I enjoy this dish because of the flavor and the combination on the meat bolognese sauce and cheese. I love how the cheese melts and how I looks when served. It's also easy to prepare.